In today's review, I will show you how to activate code GOALX1. Code will increase maximum bonus amount. Also on now. First, Mega Bonus Welcome Package, up to 1,500 euros plus 150. This special code will increase maximum bonus amount. For example, without promo code, it's a bonus up to $100. But with code GOALX1, it's a bonus up to $130. To do this, go to the site and click on the registration button. Choose a convenient way for you to register and fill in all the necessary data. In the field, enter promo code, specify GOALX1. You can copy the code from the description or comments. That's it, the promo code is activated. Do not forget to put a like and subscribe to the channel. 1xBet is an international company operating since 2007 and uniting hundreds of thousands of users all over the world.